back at it with another mukbang. But it's not a mukbang because I'm not going to show you what I got. I'm just going to tell you what I got. I ate this on the way here because it would have melted, but I got a free Frosty. And my mom got me a biggie bag. So this is a hamburger. I edited it because I don't want no whatever comes on it. It was like a tomato and lettuce. But we just got a basic thing with some cheese. On the tail, we got some sour cream. We got barbecue sauce. We got more sour cream. We got ketchup. We got ketchup. We got ketchup. We got. This better not be another hamburger. Oh no. I hope it's not. Okay, yeah, it's my chicken sandwich. The wrapper said hamburger. It looked like it. But no, it did say chicken sandwich. Okay. And then we got another ketchup. Oh, but do you think that's all? Wait, don't look at that yet. And then we got another ketchup, another ketchup, another ketchup. I just got out the shower, so chill on me. And then we got, I want to show you this without it spilling. We got chili. We got chili cheese fries. And now we're about to try a bite of that. I guess this is a mukbang now, I guess. And I put mayonnaise on here, I think. Is that weird? Let me know. Ooh. I'm supposed to be on Minecraft with my bro right now, but with my bro Javi right now, but I want to have my Wendy's before it gets too cold. But Javi, you sure watching, bro? I'm about to get on. After I finish this Wendy's nuts finger on my boy. Yeah, boy. Ooh, that look bomb. And yes, I am wearing pants. You freaking peeping Tom, you're a weirdo. Ooh. Yo, that's bomb as hell. I'm gonna try the sweet chili with the chicken sandwich. Ooh. I'm gonna try a hamburger and the sweet chili. Ooh. That's really good. I'm gonna try the burger and the chili. Oh, I'm spilling it. Ooh. I just got a hair in my mouth. Ew. And now look, we're in the chicken sandwich and the chili. Hold on, guys. I'm not getting any chili. Yeah, it's got to be it enough. No, that was good. If I had to rank everything, chicken sandwich good. I wish it was bigger. We'll do worst to best. Bland, just a cheeseburger. I love chicken sandwiches. I'm probably gonna add this to the chili. But yes, this ranks above those two because that just made everything else taste better. And then boom, at the top we got the sweet chili fries because I never had these before and they taste really good. Let me know if you guys had this meal. Very good, very good. Very good. Whoa. Super good. And that's it for the mukbang, I guess. You're not going to see me eat all this, you weirdo. I need to go watch a YouTube and eat this. Bye, yo. You want some sweet chili?